Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a nutrient-rich, high-protein smoothie recipe for weight loss and weight management. The smoothie is protein and fiber-rich. It will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and a perfect nutrient-dense breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 1/3 cup of Barnyard millet flakes. Barnyard millet is also known as Kudiravalli. Barnyard millet is ideal for weight loss. The high fiber in barnyard millet helps to maintain satiety. It's a rich source of calcium, iron and phosphorus. The high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. It has a good antioxidant profile. Barnyard millet is a good source of highly digestible protein, and at the same time it has very less calories when compared to all other cereals. Because of its high nutritional profile, it helps you to feel energetic after consumption. It's an excellent source of dietary fiber with a good amount of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. The carbohydrate content of barnyard millet is low and slowly digestible, which makes it a low glycemic index food. Into a small kadai, I'm adding in 1/3 cup of barnyard millet flakes. For those who are new to barnyard millet flakes, this is how it looks. So on medium to low flame, I'm lightly roasting the barnyard millet flakes. And make sure when you're roasting that you stir it really well, because we don't want them to get stick to the bottom of the kadai and get burned. So make sure you're stirring it really well. Since these are millet flakes, it will get roasted in about a couple of minutes. So now the millets have started to turn light golden brown. At this stage, I'm turning off the flame and I'm transferring it to another plate. And I'm going to allow it to cool down. Since mangoes are in season right now, I'm using one medium-sized ripe mango. This is a local variety mango known as Priyur mango. It is very sweet as well. You can use any mango variety of your choice. Now, if you don't have mango season right now at the place you live in, you can use any seasonal fruit of your choice. So I'm going to peel and cube the mangoes. Another option would be to use frozen mangoes. If you prefer your smoothie to be really cold, thick and creamy, you can use frozen mangoes or any frozen fruit of your choice. Once the millet flakes starts to cool down, you can see that it has become very crispy. See how crispy the flakes are. So this is how it should be when you roast the millet flakes. It should be crispy and crunchy. Okay, now I have cubed the mangoes and I'm going to add it into my blender. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water. Into that, I'm adding in the mango pieces. Next, I'm adding in a handful or about 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut of your choice, like maybe roasted peanuts, soaked almonds, roasted walnuts, any nut of your choice. Now, the reason why you need to add in a nut of your choice is for some extra healthy fats. The healthy fats are very important in your meals as they help in better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. Vitamin D is an issue with those with PCOS and thyroid. So always try to include a good source of healthy fat in your meals. So into this, I'm adding in a handful or about 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Since I'm using millets in the smoothie, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. This is entirely optional. If you don't prefer the extra sweetness, you can totally omit the dates. Now, if you are on the sweeter side, you can increase dates as per your sweetness. If you're not using soft medjool dates, you may need to soak it for some time before adding it into the blender so that everything is nicely mixed and combined well. For some added omega-3s and fiber, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds, half tablespoon chia seeds for extra omega-3s, fiber and protein. For flavor, I have freshly ground 5 to 6 cardamoms and I'm adding in the freshly ground cardamom powder. And I'm going to blend all this really well until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Now you don't have to worry about the flax seeds and chia seeds. It will get blended really well along with the rest of the ingredients. So you don't really need to powder it separately and add it into the smoothie. It will get blended really well and it will also help to make the smoothie slightly thick and creamy. The smoothie is nicely blended and it's thick and creamy. To serve the smoothie into a serving glass, I am adding in a couple of tablespoons of the roasted Barnyard millet flakes. Then I am adding in the blended smoothie. Again I am adding in a couple of tablespoons of the roasted Barnyard millet flakes. Pouring in little of the smoothie. I'm just layering the millet flakes and the smoothie. If you feel you need extra sweetness, you can drizzle in kakvi, also known as liquid jaggery, or you can increase dates as per your sweetness. Add in the rest of the millet flakes and the rest of the smoothie. Top it with a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. This will give an amazing flavor and also a subtle crunch to the smoothie. And lastly, I'm sprinkling in about half a tablespoon of the roasted Barnyard millet flakes. And my super healthy millet mango smoothie is ready to serve. This millet smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So guys, do try this nutrient dense millet mango smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.